We create the dream space of scientific discovery when we have the freedom to take risks and follow our curiosity. We spark new ideas that illuminate the lab. Naturally, some ideas shine brighter than the rest, highlighting their potential to become something greater. The answer to the question, what if? Refined in collaboration with industry leaders, clinicians, funding agencies, and philanthropists, we venture forward into new scientific frontiers. What were once glimmers of hope, through startups and industry collaborations, become a catalyst for a cascade of breakthroughs in science, engineering, and technology, creating positive impact for life on Earth. In an environment of radical collaboration, collisions of fearless creative minds cultivate scientific solutions. At the Wyss Institute, we are fueled by impatience because we know the world can't wait. If you share our vision of creating enduring impact, join us and help our discoveries create a brighter future for all.